Hey everyone, today I'm sharing my most personal and emotional story with you. 3 years ago, I was drowning in $18,000 of debt. Daily fights at home because of money, couldn't sleep at night, had to hide from my own friends when I saw them in public. But today, look at this. Debt-free, every single loan paid off, certificate in hand. How did I do it? What sacrifices did I have to make? How many nights did I cry myself to sleep? I'm going to tell you everything. Honestly, if I could do it, so can you. But first, a warning. This isn't some easy success story. This is about real struggle, real tears, real sacrifices. Are you ready? Let's go. This was back in 2021. I was from a typical middle-class family, working in the city. Monthly income was $420. Life was running normally. But then, first mistake, I got a credit card. The bank salesperson told me, "Sir, this is a magic card. Buy whatever you want, pay later." Credit limit was $2,400. First month, bought a laptop, $960. Thought I'd pay it off in monthly installments. Second month, girlfriend's birthday, $300 spent. Third month, holiday season, $480 shopping spree. But when the bill came, I was only making minimum payments. 24% interest rate. In 3 months, $2,400 debt became $3,000. Then my mom had an accident. Hospital bill. $4,200. Had to take a bank loan. Personal loan to 18% interest. Credit card cash advance minus 28% interest. In one night, debt became $8,400. But this was just the beginning. Job stress affected my performance. Didn't get a salary raise. When I couldn't pay bills. Borrowed from friends, $2,400. From relatives, $3,600. Pawned family jewelry. $3,600. Total debt, $18,000. Monthly income, $420. Monthly EMI and interest, $264. Remaining $156 for rent, food, everything. Impossible. My girlfriend left me. She said, "You're financially irresponsible." Daily fights with my parents at home. "We didn't raise you to be like this." One night I thought about suicide. I felt like this debt would never end. At least the insurance money would clear my family's debt. When they invited me to movies, I made excuses. Couldn't go to weddings or parties. Didn't have money for gifts. That moment I realized I was playing the victim. Whatever it takes, I'll clear this debt. This was my responsibility. I had to solve it. When friends called, I was scared. Are they asking for money again? Lost 33 pounds. Hair started falling out. Couldn't concentrate at work. Couldn't sleep. Spent all day calculating debt. One day my younger brother said, "Bro, you've gone crazy because of this debt." That night I made a decision. Not suicide, but a debt payoff strategy. First, I listed all my debts in an Excel sheet. Asterisk, asterisk. Credit card, $3,840 personal loan. $5,760 friends, family. $6,000 jewelry loan, $2,400. Total, $18,000. Step 2. Income reality check, monthly income analysis. Asterisk, asterisk. Salary, $420 side gig possibilities. $0 target monthly payment capacity, $300. Step 3. Choosing debt strategy. There are 2 popular methods. Asterisk, asterisk, pay off smallest debt first, avalanche method. Pay off highest interest debt first. I chose a hybrid approach. Emotional debts first, then high interest. Step 4. Extreme budget creation, monthly budget breakdown. Asterisk, asterisk. Room rent, $96. $60. Transportation, $24. Phone internet, $6 emergency buffer. $18 total expenses, $204. Available for debt, $216. Unacceptable. I needed to increase income. Step 5. Income increase plan. With $216 per month, it would take 8 years to clear debt. Side hustle planning, freelance content writing, target $96 a month. Weekend tutoring, target $72 a month. Sell unnecessary items. One time, $600. Target total monthly available, $384. The first 3 months were the hardest. Living arrangements. Left my 2-bedroom apartment for a shared room, from my own bedroom to a 6-8-foot room with a roommate. Zero privacy, zero comfort. But rent dropped from $180 to $96. Food reality, restaurants and cafes were completely off limits. Rice, lentils, vegetables, same menu every day. Had to give up my coffee shop habit. That was the hardest part. Social life. Death. Friend's birthday party. Sorry. A busy movie invitation. Next time dating life completely stopped. Month 4 to 8. Side hustle grind from the 4th month. I got serious about side hustles. Content writing journey. Created a profile on Fiverr. First client. $6 for a 1,000-word article. Office during the day. Writing from 11 p.m. to 2 a.m. By the 8th month, earning $144 monthly tutoring. Teaching high school students math and science. Saturdays and Sundays, 4 hours. $2.40 per hour. $76.80 monthly selling stuff. Sold my motorcycle $2,160. Branded clothes, $180. Electronics, books, $96. Total, $2,676. Month. 9 to 12. The grind intensifies. This phase had the most mental pressure. Daily routine. 6 a.m., wake up. Office 9 a.m., 6 p.m. Tutoring 7 to 9 p.m. Writing 10 p.m., 1 a.m. Sleep 1:30 a.m. Weekends, full day side hustle, health issues, back pain from laptop work, eye strain, headaches, social isolation, depression, but the numbers were working. Monthly debt payment capability, $336, $384. Friends' family debt cleared by month 10 inches. Jewelry loan cleared by month 12. Month 13 to 18. Final push lasts 6 months. The most intense credit card battle. $3,840 high interest debt. Indescribable. First time I genuinely smiled during a family dinner. Monthly $180 payment, balance transfer to lower interest card. Took a screenshot, framed it, and hung it on my wall. That night, before sleep, I said a prayer of gratitude. Negotiated with bank for settlement. Personal loan strategy. EMI restructuring bonus amount went directly to payment, calculated prepayment charges to optimize. First major win. Month 6. When I cleared $2,400 of friends' family debt. That feeling. Second win. Month 10. Jewelry loan cleared. Got my mom's jewelry back. Mom cried. I cried. It's most emotional moment of the journey. Third win. Month 15. Personal loan final payment. When I went to the bank for the clearance certificate, my hands were shaking. The final victory. Month 18. Credit card, zero balance. 18 months of struggle, sacrifice, sleepless nights. It was all worth it. Financial lessons. 1. Emergency fund is crucial. To this day, I maintain 6 months of expenses in emergency fund. 2. Credit cards are weapons. Don't use them without proper knowledge. 3. Compound interest is a double-edged sword. Friend in investments, enemy in debt. 4. Multiple income sources are essential. Don't rely on just one job. Personal growth. 1. Discipline develops character. 18 months of strict budget taught me self-control. 2. Sacrifice leads to freedom. Temporary sacrifice for long-term peace. 3. Problem-solving ability. Every financial problem has a solution. 4. Mental health and money are connected. Don't underestimate debt-stress relationship insights. 1. True friends are revealed in debt crisis. Those who supported me are real friends. 2. Family support is invaluable, even when they scolded me. They stood by me. 3. Money habits make or break relationships. Financial compatibility is crucial. Current financial position. Debt, 0. Emergency fund. $3,600 monthly income. $780 monthly savings. $420. Investment portfolio. $5,400 lifestyle now. Own 1-bedroom apartment. Healthy social life restored. Travel budget 2 trips per year. Family, friends, professionals, whoever is ready to help. But mindful spending in everything. What I do differently before every purchase. I ask need versus want. If I could get out of $18,000 debt, you can too, but today's peace of mind. Priceless. Monthly budget review. Non-negotiable credit card full payment. Always. Investment first, spending second. My advice to debt-trapped friends? It's a temporary problem. The right strategy, dedication, and time, there's definitely a solution. 1. Accept reality. Don't stay in denial. No, debt won't disappear by itself. Face it. 2. Create strategy. Don't make emotional decisions. Write it down and create a strategy. 3. Increase income. Cutting expenses alone won't work. Increase your income. 4. Seek support. Drop your pride and ask for help. 5. Celebrate small wins. Celebrate every small victory. It maintains motivation. Till then, stay strong, stay focused. We can do this together. 6. Learn financial literacy. Keep learning even after clearing debt. Don't repeat this mistake. Friends, I'm not special. Average middle-class family, average intelligence, average job, but it's not easy. 18 months was hell. Had to sacrifice social life, comfort, pride, call to action if you're trapped in debt. **** 1. Share this video, it might help someone. 2. Tell me your situation in the comments. I'll personally reply. 3. Like if this was helpful. 4. Subscribe. Your future self will thank you. Next video. I'm bringing a detailed tutorial on debt payoff strategies.